Hi guys, and welcome back to another beautiful day here in North Wales. It's April the 2nd today, and I'm going to be potting on and trying to separate these potato plants. These are my 4 from the single seed potato challenge, and as you can see they've all got multiple shoots coming out of them. This one's got 3, and this one has 4, but it also has another one starting here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to pot them on into 5 litre pots, just using a bit of multi-purpose compost, and I'm going to try splitting them into 2s. I don't know if anyone has ever come across anything like this before, but I noticed they all seem to have it on them. Not sure what that is, like little blisters. So if anyone knows anything about that, please let me know in the comments. But we're going to try and split these up anyway. Nice clean knife. Like I said, I'm just going to use multi-purpose compost and pot them into these 5 litre pots. Bring it in a bit closer and we'll have a go at separating a couple of these. Right, so this one is chick number 3, and see it's got 2 main shoots coming out of there, so just take this out of the pot. Let's see what's what. Right, so all I'm going to do is just go straight down the middle there. Hopefully I should get 2 plants out of that now. Not ready. See the actual piece that we planted is still quite firm. That's what feeds moisture to the plant. And these will be going into 30 litre containers eventually. We'll get them in these 5 litre pots for now, just so we can keep them in here out of any frosts. That's one done. Hopefully we've got enough compost here to get the rest of these finished. Plenty of roots still on there. I'd just like to apologise for the lack of videos over the last few weeks. Just been absolutely hectic with work at the moment. It's been dark when I'm leaving the house, and usually dark when I get home, except for today. So I thought I'd come out and do this video. Right, so this is the first trick that we did, and this one is split into 3. So hopefully, a bit of luck, we should be able to cut this into 3 now. So firstly, I'm just going to go straight down there. Right, that's fine, we'll take that as a cutting. Okay, still got plenty of roots on them. Don't know if this is a good idea doing this or not. This isn't the way that I did it last year, but hopefully it should be okay. But we'll never know unless we try, so it's worth having a go. If I don't try it, who else will? I know Steve will. I've got a feeling a couple of others might be doing the same. I'm still not adding any feed to these just yet. Do that once they go into the 30-litre containers. Right, so I'll go and get the stuff to plant that one up and show you how I'm going to take that cutting. Right then, so just got a small pot again and some organic rooting powder. Ideally should be using a Stanley blade for this, but don't really have any on me. So all I'm going to do is cut a 45-degree angle just underneath the leaf node, like so. And pull that bottom leaf off. A good dip in there. Make sure there's plenty on there. And just pop him in there like that. And that one can stay in the house above the fish tank. I'll just give the leaves a good spraying. But until we see roots coming out the bottom of the pot, it can stay in that. Okay, so that's 2 done. And we've got 5 plants so far out of the 2. So this one could be a bit more difficult by the looks of it. A few more in here. Okay, so first we'll take this one off the side. We know that one's good. Comes off with plenty of roots still attached. done. So what I might do with this one is just split it into another two. So split them in half. Just got a bigger knife for this really. Yeah, I'll keep them as two rather than trying to split them into fours. And as what I might do with these is try taking a couple of cuttings off them in a week or two's time again. And it's just a case of trying to find somewhere to put them all. And then this last one, that's just two, which should be straight down the middle. Right, so last one. And again, just going to split this one straight down the middle. And if you haven't already, guys, please do consider subscribing. It doesn't cost a penny and really helps out the channel, helps us grow. And I will put a playlist of the single seed potato challenge at the end of this video, and if you pop over and check out Steve's channel, he will have a mixture of everyone's videos on there, so pop on round and see how everyone else is getting on. and hopefully work quietens down a bit so I can get to spend a bit more time in the garden. But I really haven't had a chance to do anything for the last 2 weeks. I just feel like everything's fallen behind, but we will get on top of everything. That's one of the jobs that I've been worrying about doing done. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1 cutted. So that's 9 plants for Single Seed Potato Challenge 2023, and hopefully we'll get some cuttings off these and maybe double up on it again. But this one, like I said, this can stay in the house on top of the fish tank where it's nice and warm and there's light there. This one is one of the purple potatoes that we found. I potted him up. And then we've got one of the Picassos up here from last year's Single Seed Potato Challenge. They're not far off harvesting, I'd say. A couple of weeks yet. But all them can go out now. Right then guys, so that's about it for this one today. Just like to say thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.